Hi, first graders. Today we are going to go over Unit 2, Lesson 10. Our learning targets for the day, I can find different vowel sounds and using my flip code chart. I can read tricky words. I can ask and answer questions about key details in the story, The Bug Glass. Okay, we're going to go over some vowel sounds. Say say but. This power bar is a little short, so that means we're not going to see a lot of sounds in our reading. Say hat. The power bar is long, so we are going to see a lot of sounds in our reading. Say cake. The power bar is sort of long, sort of short, sort of in the middle. We're going to see a pretty good amount of A sounds. Say bite. Our power bar looks pretty short, so we might not see a lot of I sounds. Say it. Whoa, our power bar is super long. We're going to see a lot of I sounds in our reading this year. Say hop. Our power bar is pretty long. We're going to see a good amount of sounds. Say oh. Watch my mouth. Oh. Home. The power bar is itty bitty teeny tiny. We're not going to see very many o sounds in our reading this year. Say pet. It's very long. We're going to see a lot of S sounds this year. Say B. Our power bar is short, so we're not going to see a lot of double E sound words this year. Okay, let's go over our tricky words. Get ready to go. We're going to know these. Tricky words are words that don't play by the rules. Say my. Repeat after me or with me if you know the words. My dog has spots. By. You can sit by a friend. All right, we're going to go ahead and do the reading. It's called The Bug Glass. Sounds fun. Let's take a look at the table of contents so that we can find the book. The Bug Glass. What does the table of contents tell us again? That's right, it tells us the title and the page number. The Bug Glass is on page 36. Scroll down so we're ready to go. We're looking for page 36. Here we go. Go back to our slides. Go over some stuff first. Today's story is The Bug Glass. What do you think a bug glass is? Turn to a partner and share what you think it is. I will give you one more clue about today's story. Have you ever accidentally broken something that belonged to someone else? Tell the person next to you. Go ahead and pause the video. In today's story, someone breaks something and the other person gets upset. Here are some of our spellings from the story today. Say O. Watch my mouth as I say O. It opens up to an O shape. Repeat after me. Broke, close, those, stone. I is our next spelling. Say I. Say time, like. Pine. A-E says A. Repeat after me. Tape, gaze, grapes, stars. All right. Say stare, stare. Give Mrs. Casano a good stare into the camera. I can see you. Say gaze. Gaze is different than a stare. Gaze is sort of like a light-looking look, that you're gazing into the sky. But a stare is like your eyes are glued on something. Say peer. Peer is that you're looking up into the sky and peering at something. Look up in the sky. Beautiful. Let's listen to the story to find out what a bug glass is and who it belongs to in the story. Okay. Let's take a look. So the bug glass. Gran, Jen says, Josh is mad at me. Why is he mad? Gran asks. I broke his bug glass. What is a bug glass? A bug glass is something that lets him see bugs and ants up close. Gran checks the bug glass. It's not so bad, she says. We can fix it with some tape. Josh will still be mad, Jen says. We can make him a snack, says Gran, and we can make the ants a snack as well. Gran hands Jen some chips and grapes. Here, she says, set those on the big stone in back. Gran yells, it's snack time! Josh runs in and grabs a snack. Gran lets him munch on it. Then she says, Jen, take Josh to the stone. Jen grabs Josh by the hand and takes him to the stone. He sees his bug glass. Then he sees a bunch of ants. He picks up the glass and stares at the ants. Josh smiles. Oh, excuse me. The ants like those chips, he says. He hands Jen the glass. Here, he says, take a peek. Okay, so they're using, what is this thing called right here? Yep, you said it, a magnifying glass. Very good. Do you think that Jen is a kind sister or an unkind sister? I would think she's kind because she cared a lot about breaking her brother's bug glass, and she wanted to make sure that he had what he needed. So here are some discussion questions. Go ahead and pause the video and talk with someone that's with you, an adult or a sibling. Were there any parts of the story that were confusing to you? Pause it and talk with someone. Were your predictions correct? If you made a prediction about what the story is going to be about? Okay. If you have your book, we're going to go to worksheet 10.1. There are some questions to answer right here if you would like to work on your handwriting. If not, I believe those same questions are going to be on the Google form. So you can go ahead and stop the video, complete the Google form, answer the story questions, and you'll be good to go for today. Bye, first graders. I had a good time. See you tomorrow.